So before we go over to the demonstration, I'll just briefly show you some of the components used for this project. So you have the Raspberry Pi, you have the object detection sensor, you have the alarm, which is a buzzer, then we have the RGB LED, as well as some resistors and some connections there. And on the screen we have the compiler, which is the one pointed on by my cursor here. You have my email account, that's my inbox, and then you have the command center where you can turn off the alarm when an intrusion has occurred, and where you can also interact with the system. So I'll be running the program now, and now if you can see, the camera comes active the minute the program runs, and the minute there's an intrusion, and for you to depict an intrusion, it is when something goes within the range of the sensor, which is the object detection sensor, and that's what I'm going to do now. And the minute that is done, from our screen you can see that it shows an output that an intruder has been captured, and then the buzzer comes up as well as the flasher comes up. And at the same time, you can see here that an email has been sent, which we can actually look at from here, and that shows a capture of the intruder, as well as a message that there's an activity that has occurred around the area that is being covered by the system. So over here you have the control center where you could actually issue a couple of commands, and the most important at this time, because of the blaring noise of the alarm, is to reset it. And within the screen you have a couple of commands that you could use, and for that purpose you could do a reset. Just type in reset in the field and then click send, and then that stops the alarm, and you also see a notification on the screen saying that the alarm alert has been reset. You could also use some of the other commands there, maybe to turn on the light, by typing in, for instance, red, and when you hit enter, the red light comes on. And if you decide to use light, and the white light should come on. So now, to turn off all the lights, you could just do reset again, and then it turns off everything. So that is the end of our demonstration. Thank you very much.